Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the chairwoman to give me this opportunity to present our paper. And before it, now I want to introduce myself and my group. My name is Uswatun Hasana and my partner is Mrs. Zulela MS. We come from State University of Jakarta. And here we want to present our paper about Seesaw-based digital learning to increase higher order thinking skill of basic school students in the pandemic period. Next. Okay, here the outline. The first is introduction and the second is method. So the third is result and discussion and the fourth is conclusion. Okay, here introduction. Education in 21st century present a big challenge to students, teachers, and education providers in improving the quality of learning properly. To achieve this target, we as education practitioners need to create learning-oriented 21st century competencies such as critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creative. Therefore, quality learning is able to equip students in facing challenge in the era of globalization. One indicator of quality learning is that it can teach students to learn independently and develop higher order thinking skill. A person's higher order thinking skill can be measured through several components, amongst others, such as interpretation skills, analytical skills, evaluation skills, inference skills, evaluation skills, sorry, interpretation skills, analytical skill, evaluation, inference, explanation, and reflection. So the six abilities try to be formed deliberately to develop higher order thinking skill. When these abilities begin to be formed, it will allow for continuous reflection in the framework of training in the process of forming higher order thinking skill. If someone already has the six ability above, then that person already has higher order thinking skill. This higher order thinking skill needs to be trained from an early age. This skill not only requires the ability to remember, but requires other higher abilities, such as the ability to think creatively and critically. In realizing 21st century learning in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, an integrated learning, digital learning design is needed higher order thinking skill inside it. In this case, the researcher developed Seesaw-based digital learning. So, the learning design developed by research combines several online learning applications that are packaged in Seesaw platforms such as Powtoon, Quizzes, and edXtra is to make learning more interactive and contextual for students at elementary school. Okay, next. Okay, here's the method of the paper. The design research is the study use research and development, and the study procedure use the dig and carry model which has 10 stage, yeah. And the stage is analysis of learning needs and objectives. The second is learning analysis. So the third is analyzing student and the environment. So the fourth is formulating performance objective, developing instrument, developing learning strategy, development and selection of learning materials. So the eighth is carry out formative evaluation, so revising learning. And the last is designing and implementing summative evaluation. And here 10 stage of dig and carry model. So this purpose, yeah, of my study was to analyze the effectiveness of digital seesaw-based learning in improving students' higher order thinking skill. And the respondents subject were students in grade 5, yeah, at elementary school of Laboratory PGSD UNJ, totaling 30 respondents were at the small group trial stage and 10 respondents, and at the field trial stage 30 respondents. So for data analysis technique, the data used are quantitative and qualitative data. Qualitative data were obtained from requirement analysis, questionnaire test material experts, so test design expert. Meanwhile, quantitative data were obtained from the result of product testing, namely field tests. So next, here the result, and we can see together, yeah. This is higher order thinking skill scores, yeah, for a student at elementary school. Here, there are aspects of higher order thinking skill score, yeah. Here, interpretation, so analyze, evaluation, inferentiation, explanation, and reflection. Yeah, so here we can see that the post-test score is higher than the pre-test score. And then this result show that from this research findings, the seesaw-based digital learning developed by research is said to be feasible and effective in improving student thinking skill, yeah. Because this is we can see together that the post-test score is higher than the pre-test score. Okay, next. Here the discussion, yeah. From the first, the results show an increase the score of student higher order thinking skill after learning to use the developed digital teaching materials. These results are seen from several components of higher order ranking skills, such as the ability to interpret, analyze, evaluate, inference, explain, and reflection. So the product that was successfully developed in this study is seesaw-based digital teaching materials. This teaching material is also made in digital form, which is modified with the PET application and packaged in seesaw-based learning platform. This makes it easier for teachers and students to join virtually, especially in this pandemic. So the combination among Seesaw and others are used as a strategy that requires involvement and interaction with the students. Educate students to have constructive thinking patterns. Invite students to be able to combine their initial knowledge with virtual findings from the simulation that are run, making learning more interesting because it so contextual teaching and learning for students. So this can be due to digital teaching materials developed by researchers. There are several inquiry activities that students must carry out. This activity is in the form of analyze concept, proving a concept, and solving a test. So